Good morning, students. I am back again. Today is our third lecture which we are going to study. The name of the poem which we studied yesterday was Nature. And when you will turn page, there are two types of, no, you don't have to turn page. When you will see question number 1 and 2 on same page, when you will see question number 1 and 2 on same page, there is a question given over here. Describe the things you see in the pictures. Now you have to see this picture and you have to describe the things. Now which all things are there in the picture? Now first of all, we see here birds. Birds are there. Sun is there, correct? Rainbow is there. How many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. How many colors are there? 7. Which are those? Violet, indigo, correct? Green, right? Yellow. Then after yellow, which is there? Blue. Then orange. After orange is red. So totally how many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. How many colors? 7. So first we saw sun. There is a sun in a video. What is there? There is a sun. Next, what is there in video? There is rainbow. So sequence wise I will write down which all things are there in video. First one is what? Sun. Okay. Next one is what? 7 colored rainbow. What is there? Rainbow. Okay. Next one, near this rainbow is spread, correct or spanned? Spread between what? It is spread between 2 clouds. Right, very good. Now if I'll ask you what is clouds, you will able to tell me clouds means what? Clouds म्हणजे काय? Clouds म्हणजे ढग, correct? In rainy season, now at present it is a rainy season, you see black clouds in the sky. Are you seeing or not? I think yes, you might be seeing white color, black color clouds moving in the air, in the sky. If you want to see, you can go out and see now itself. Now also I am taking video and now also it is raining outside. Okay, so clouds. Next thing which we see is clouds. After clouds, what do we see? There are trees in the picture. What is there? There are trees. Trees are there in the picture. Now 2 trees are given here, right? 2 trees are given. Now trees are what? They are part of nature. They are what? They are part of nature. Next is small plants, those who have flowers, correct? Small plants who has flowers. There are small plants who has flowers. Can you see in picture? Yes, we use flowers for so many things. Here it is told that describe the things. You have to describe now. After some time we are going to describe each and everything. Flowers we use for so many things. You know it very well for what all things we make use of flowers. These are small hills. You can say hills or then you can say plains. Not hills. Hills will be in such a way. They are in this way, so they are plains. It is a plain. Plains. So these, how many things we have seen in this picture? We have seen 6 things in the picture and they are all part of nature. They are all part of nature, correct? Sun. Sun rises in the morning, sun sets in the evening. Sun म्हणजे काय? सूर्य, correct? So what is work of sun? Sun helps us in many ways. It keeps our earth warm, correct? When crops want to grow, ज्यावेळेस आपण शेतामध्ये पिकवतो त्यावेळेस सूर्याची खूप गरज असते. We need sunlight at that time because Crops need sunlight to grow. I know it is called photosynthesis, but then for you it will be very big word, photosynthesis. But when plants are preparing their own food, जेव्हा झाडं त्यांचं स्वतःचं जेवण तयार करतात त्यावेळेस काय पाहिजे असतं त्याला? सूर्यप्रकाश पाहिजे असतो. what it needs sunlight. Okay, next one is rainbow. When do we see rainbow? We see rainbow when there is rainy season. In rainy season mainly we see rainbow. Are you getting or not? When it rains and when rain stops, at that time when we see sunlight, rain, sunlight. When this hide and seek goes on, at that time we see rainbow in the sky. And total how many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. How many colors? 7 colors, right? So which are those 7 colors? Come on, I'll repeat first, you repeat after me. Okay, violet, indigo, green, blue, yellow, orange and red. Come on, let us, it is called VIBGYOR. In short, what it is called? It is called VIBGYOR. It is called VIBGYOR. In short, if you want to say what it is, you can say VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR means what? Vib. VIBGYOR. If you want to keep in mind all 7 colors of rainbow, then you have to say VIBGYOR. Okay. V, violet, I, indigo, G, blue, B, blue, G, green, Y, yellow, O, orange and R, red. You have to keep in mind there are 7 colors in rainbow and those colors are, in short, if you want to keep in mind, you have to say VIBGYOR. Okay, Vib, V-I-B, Vib, and G-Y-O-R, VIBGYOR. Okay, so second thing which we studied in this picture is rainbow. Now third thing which we are seeing in this picture is clouds. What it is? Clouds. Clouds means what? Dug. You know it very well. Clouds. Sky is different, clouds is different. Clouds are filled with water. आकाश आणि ढग ह्याच्यामध्ये फरक आहे. ढग म्हणजे काय? ज्याच्यामध्ये पाणी असतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड क्लाउड्स इन इंग्लिश. ढगाला काय म्हणतो आपण मराठीमध्ये, इंग्लिशमध्ये क्लाउड्स म्हणतो. आणि आकाशाला काय म्हणतो? स्काय. फरक आहे. देर इज डिफरन्स बिटवीन टू. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑर नॉट? देर इज डिफरन्स. स्काय अँड क्लाउड्स, डिफरन्स इज देर. So clouds. Now what is work of clouds? It holds water and in rainy season it gives us rain. In rainy season it gives us what? It gives us rain. Clouds gives us rain. Next thing which we are seeing in the picture is trees. Trees म्हणजे काय? What we call for trees in English, Marathi, we call trees means what? झाडं. Yes or no? Small trees, big trees, more tall trees. So there are trees. Now what is work of trees? Trees help us in what way? Trees help us to give us shadow. Shadow means what? सावली. झाडं आपल्याला काय देतात? सावली. Next, it gives us, trees gives us oxygen. झाडं आपल्याला काय देतात? ऑक्सिजन देतात. ऑक्सिजन. वी इनहेल ऑक्सिजन इनसाइड वेन वी ब्रीथ. ज्या वेळेस आपण श्वास घेतो त्यावेळेस आपण काय ब्रीथ करतो? ऑक्सिजन ब्रीथ करतो. अँड ते ऑक्सिजन कुणी दिलेलं असतं? आपल्याला ट्रीजनी दिलेलं असतं. ओके, सो इफ आय विल डिस्क्राईब ट्रीज टू यू, what is importance of trees? They gives us shade, correct? They gives us oxygen. More, they gives us fruits. They gives us what? They gives us flowers, correct? This is this is the importance of trees. Next one is flowers. Don't say flowers, say flowers. Okay, when you pronounce word, don't say flower, say flowers. So what is importance of flowers? Now we have seen flowers in the picture. Flowers are used for many things. if we will see one flower, rose is helpful to make garlands. आपण हार तयार करतो. हार म्हणजे काय इंग्लिशमध्ये गार्लँड्स. त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट इज रोज इज यूज टू पुट इन युअर हेअर. करेक्ट. यू यूज रोज फॉर मेनी अदर गार्लँड्स. Correct or not? We use garlands in festivals, we use garlands in marriages, we use garlands in temple. Correct or not? For that, flowers are also useful to us, and it gives nice smell, fragrance. We get nice smell of flowers, and it is the most important thing. There are various colored flowers. खूप साऱ्या कलरचे फुलं असतात. कळतंय ना? लाल कलरची फुलं असतात, पिवळ्या कलरची फुलं असतात, गुलाबी कलरची फुलं असतात. देर आर व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स. पर्पल कलर फ्लावर्स आर देर, राईट. अँड लास्ट वन इन दिस पिक्चर इज प्लेन्स. दीज आर प्लेन्स ऑन विच ट्रीज आर ग्रोन. दीज आर प्लेन्स ऑन विच ट्रीज आर ग्रोन. प्लेन्स म्हणजे काय? प्लेन ग्राउंड एरिया, राईट. मोर दॅन प्लेन्स. अपसाइड इफ इट इज देर, देन इट इज प्लॅटो. आफ्टर प्लॅटो इज हिल्स, अँड आफ्टर हिल्स इज माउंटन्स. Plains, plateau, hills and mountains. Understood? So these are 6 things which we have seen in our nature poem, and this picture is there in your textbook. तुमच्या पुस्तकात हे चित्र आहे. And question is given downside. Write down, describe the things you see in the picture. तुम्ही या चित्रामध्ये काय बघतात त्याचं स्पष्टीकरण करायचं आहे. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन करायचं आहे. अंडरस्टूड? इन सेम वे देर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन इन युअर टेक्स्टबुक. टेल अबाउट द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स. नाव आय हॅव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट these 3 things. Only bird is little new. Bird is there out in this also? Yes, there is bird. 7th one is bird. Bird is also there here. So now trees, I will explain you again. Trees help us to give shade. It gives us what? Shade. Shade means what? Or you can, okay, shade. It gives us shade means what? Sauli, right? It gives us what? Oxygen. झाडं आपल्याला काय देतात? ऑक्सिजन देतात. आणि ते ऑक्सिजन आपण काय करतो? आपण ब्रीथ करतो. वी ब्रीथ दॅट ऑक्सिजन, राईट. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑक्सिजन ओनली वी आर लिव्हिंग अ लाईफ. आपण कशामुळे जगतो? ऑक्सिजन, नाकातून ऑक्सिजन घेतो म्हणून आपण जगतोय. कळतंय का? नेक्स्ट इज फ्लावर. फ्लावर इज फॉर वॉट? इट इज यूज फॉर गार्लँड्स. गार्लँड्स मीन्स वॉट? गार्लँड्स मीन्स वॉट? हार, माळा. ओके. नेक्स्ट नाउ बर्ड्स. what is description? What you can describe about birds? Birds help us in various ways. Now if I will take one bird, crow म्हणजे काय? कावळा. how crow is helping us? आपल्याला कावळा कसा उपयोगी पडतो? if any animal is dead on the road, एखादा प्राणी जर रस्त्यावरती मेलेला असेल, so then what crow is doing? Crow is going and eating flesh of that dead animals. आणि once it is eating flesh of that dead animal, it cleans our environment. ती जागा पूर्ण क्लीन करून टाकतं. कोण? crow means what? कावळा. समजतंय का? so then birds also help us, but we don't know. आपल्याला माहीत नसतं की पक्षी आपल्याला कसे मदत करतात. birds help us in many ways. Are you understanding or not? So in this way we have done description of tree, we have done description of flower, we have done description of birds, we have described, I have described you sun, I have described you rainbow, I have described you clouds. Next one is trees, flowers, plains, rainbow. Don't forget rainbow. How many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. Which are those 7 colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are all colors in rainbow. In this way we have completed our poem Nature. I know yesterday we have studied this poem Nature. Nature is might, nature is beauty. Correct or not? So there are some pictures in your textbook, you have to see those pictures and you have to study that poem. Okay, thank you.